Good morning, students. Today we'll study methods of irrigation under the chapter crop production and management. Water is needed by all plants. It is important for their growth and development. Plants, they get water either naturally through rainfall or they must be supplied water artificially. This method of artificial supply of water to the crops in the field is called irrigation. Irrigation is very important. Let's see why. First, water is needed by all the seeds for their germination. When we supply water to the seeds, they absorb water, germinate, and give rise to seedlings. Second, it is important for the proper growth of plants. And third importance is water helps in absorption and transportation of minerals to all the parts of the plant. What are the sources of irrigation? For irrigation, water can be obtained from wells or tube wells, ponds, river, canal, lake or a dam. Now let's study the traditional methods of irrigation which were used by farmers. So there are 4 types which we will study. One is moat, that is pulley system, chain and pump system, Daigly and Rahat or lever system. A moat system is the simplest and cheapest method of irrigation. In this, water is lifted from a well or any other water source with the help of bucket. The bucket end is tied with a rope. The rope passes over a pulley and the other end is attached to animals like bulls. The animals, they walk down the earthen slope and as they walk, they lift the bucket. The water is emptied into the channel and the field is irrigated. The second method of irrigation is chain and pump system. In this, there are 2 wheels. One larger wheel is present at the surface, which is having a shaft and a handle attached to it, moved by the farmer. It is connected with another wheel present in the water source, and the 2 wheels are connected with chain having buckets. As the wheel moves, the buckets, they get filled with water and they are lifted upward and the water is poured into the channel. Third traditional method of irrigation is Daigly system. In this, a rope is attached to the bucket and rope is pulled down to fill it with water from the water source. Rope is then pulled upward by attaching a weight on the other end and water is manually poured into a channel which is connected with the field to irrigate the field. Next is Rahat system. In this system, there are 2 wheels. One is placed vertically over a water source, preferably an open well, and second wheel is present at a distance placed horizontally. The 2 wheels are connected with each other. On the first wheel, vertical wheel, there is present a belt of buckets. An animal like ox or buffalo is tied with the horizontal wheel. As the animal moves in circular motion, the horizontal wheel comes in motion, which causes the movement of vertical wheel which is dipped in water. The buckets, as they enter into the water, they get filled with water, and as the wheel continue to move, the buckets, they get emptied into the channel and field is irrigated. These traditional methods are cost effective, but at the same time they are time consuming and needs lot of hard work. So let us study the modern method of irrigation which overcomes the limitation of traditional methods of irrigation. These methods are used where the availability of water is less and they help to reduce wastage of water. So the two methods which we will study are sprinkler system and drip irrigation system. The sprinkler system is used in arid regions and the areas having uneven surfaces. This system involves many perpendicular pipes with rotating nozzles at the top, installed at regular intervals. The pipes are placed on the field, attached to the main pipeline connected with the tank containing water. Drip irrigation is used in areas which are deficient in water. A network of pipeline is spread in the field and the water is supplied directly to the roots of the plant drop by drop. This is the most efficient method of irrigation which does not involve any wastage of water. So in today's class we studied about irrigation and its importance. The two methods of irrigation, that is traditional method and modern method. Traditional methods are cost effective but time consuming. On the other hand, modern methods are costly but less time consuming and requires less labor. Hope you must have liked the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe it, and if you have any query, you can write the query in the comment section. Thank you for watching.